Okay, sir. Packing machine training video.
This one is language. Okay, two language only. One Turkish, one English. This one is for input output. Let's say input. Check what are the sensor available. On what are sensor off. We'll see for maintenance purpose. Same output also. Green light on. Yes. Blinking. Or blinking. Output. Okay. Same. This is reset. Okay. Reset button. Okay. This is home page. This one is main motor. Main motor speed. Normal speed. Okay. This one is jack speed. Film loading. Film installation. No. That speed. Jack speed. This is for convert speed. Both the input and output. Okay. This is one manual. Manual. Everything operate in manual. Input control, backward, or forward, for testing purpose. Maintenance. Okay. On the top press. You want top press. Okay. Same. Main motor normal speed. Jack speed. You want to see main motor normal speed? This is main motor normal speed. Okay. Now it will come not home question. Okay. Showing error. Yes. Main motor home not home. Error clear means LED will green, LED blue. Reset. Error clear. Clear. This one is backward. Both conveyors. Okay. Both conveyors. Okay. And next one.
अगर next forward करना होगा तो
Forward and manual.
manual.
Setting. This is for speed setting. Same. Here I already told now. Motor. Same.
We cannot set different speed for both conveyor, inward and backward. Both speed will remain
Same.
same.
Both speed same. Common. Conveyor speed means both. Input and output.
But you say we have installed two separate VFD for inward and
Forward. But here both are same. One speed only running. Next, this is for wrap tour setting. For end time, how much count you want? Okay. You want 2, minimum 2. If you change anything means that's home position. Double click for saving. Okay. Change now. Sitting, auto sitting, 2. Okay.
if we not saved then value will not change.
Not change. Next setting, this is product. That is wrap tool setting. Okay. And operation mode. There are 5 modes there. Without wrapping, it will go. This modes are only entry wrap and exit wrap.
Okay.
In between gap, no wrap. Okay. This one is same. Entry, middle, and end. In between, no wrap. Okay. This one is fourth mode. Entry wrap, middle, in between wrap, and end wrap. 2 round, in between wrap, and end. This is fifth mode. Entry wrap, in between wrap, and middle count. You want 2 or else middle count. Then wrap, also end wrap. Now using fourth mode. You are going to select 4 means 4 select. 1 means 1 select. 4 select. Okay. Next is wrapping distance. Wrapping distance. This is for wide material. Wide material means door. Wide material door like door. Wide material entry wrapping distance. This is main sensor. Product will come now. It will run means not work. Okay. given some delay. So 72 centimeter. 72 centimeter. Okay. After that, it will work. Okay.
After 72 centimeters.
After 72 inside. Okay. Then only cover the product. Okay. Same. Exit. After leaving now, sometimes give delay for finishing purpose. Okay. Next, same wide material conveyor speed 50%. Same you can see here as well. Conveyor speed 50. Same conveyor speed 50. Same 72, 72 entry and outfit top press distance. But top press no delay, same delay. 74 centimeter delay means it will come down. Okay. If you want to adjust it before or after. Okay. Same. This is for middle draft. This mode. Operation mode in 3. So mode 3 yes. That time you can set the value here itself. Middle draft. This setting for only door, window like.
High width.
Width. And this settings for narrow mechanical design. Profile.
Okay.
Profile mechanical design.
How much width?
That's an upper.
One question. How we select we are running wide or narrow?
This is for profile.
Okay.
Okay.
Narrow mechanical.
Yes.
This is for window.
Okay. Mechanical joint. Without welding. Without welding, yes.
हो गया
Same here. Same narrow material.
Okay.
Distance, entry distance, exit distance, conveyor speed, same. Same na, understood? Then top press. If you don't want top press, less weight means maybe required. Heavy glass window means no, not required. So that time just touch na, not working. Okay. No active. Same input output. Okay. And this is for system information. Model, serial number. Okay. And this one is auto start. So auto start means continuously put it in. And this is for home push.
Suppose we have done auto start.
Okay.
How much time conveyor will run if we don't put any job?
Continuously.
Okay, continue. There is no break.
No.
ये मैं था
This is for auto start. Emergency use button. Any critical situation you press emergency in running time. Okay. Frequently use apply emergency means motor will stop, but force heavy now. Yes. It will apply suddenly in brake. Belt
Okay.
maybe problem. Belt easily worn out.
Wear out.
Yes.
So we have to prevent
Any critical situation you press, or else press 5 seconds.
It will take time.
In any time you want stop na, just 5 seconds. Okay. It will going to slowly down and it will do boom push.
5 seconds.
5 सेकंड प्रेस
Okay. Normal push. Then